Welcome, students, in this online classes. Subject English. Yesterday, we have learned the poem, unit number 1.1, Walk a Little Slower. In this poem, the role of the father and the role of the child, we have learned about them. Now, today, we are going to do the activities which are given in the workshop after this poem. So let's start the workshop. I have taken few activities which are important for you. So let's start these activities. First activity, using your ideas, frame 3 sentences that shows continuous actions. Few examples are given here. With these sentences, you will understand the continuous action sentences. First sentence, you are leading me. Second, I am following you. Third, she is running. Fourth, they are playing. And fifth, we are dancing. In these sentences, if you observe carefully, the ing form of the verbs are used. So, from these sentences, we understand to show the continuous action, we have to use the ing form of the verb. Lead, follow, run, play, these are the verbs. And in the form of ing means lead, it becomes leading, follow, it becomes ing, that is following. So, to indicate the continuous action, we will use the ing form of the verbs. You try yourself some other sentences and write them at your notebook. Next activity. Using your ideas, frame the sentences that shows future actions or state. Some examples. Who will want to follow me? Second, when will you see me? Third, I will come on Monday. Fourth, we will play. And last, he will pass the exam. What we understand from these sentences, which verbs indicate the future actions? Here, will, will, will. These verbs are used to show the future actions. One more verb is used to show the future action, and that is shall. The activity for you to do the activity, that is, you use the verb shall and write few other sentences, near at least 5 sentences, by using the verb shall to show the future actions. Next activity, Within 2 minutes, write as many phrases or sentences as you can using a little. A little is used here. Write the phrases or the sentences. Many examples are given there. Look. Wait a little longer. A little longer is used and the sentence become jump a little higher. A little is used. Do just a little. A little is used here. Turn a little to left. A little later. Speak a little louder. A little way. A little stay. A little effort. These are the sentences used a little, and we have framed the sentences. Some other phrases also we have framed by using a little. Now the homework for you, you write down at least 10 sentences by using a little in your own sentences. In this way, this activity, I think that you understand. Uh, Thank you, students. You write down all these activities at your notebook, and few remaining activity which is for yourself, that activities you do at yourself, at your home. Thank you very much. Let's stop here.